How to fix Samsung A16 screenshots not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your phone. For restart your phone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time like that. And then restart your phone. After restarting your phone, then open settings and scroll down and click on device care. And then scroll down and open software update, and here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software, and then open settings and scroll down and open advanced features. In advanced features you can see the option motions and gestures. Now click on it and then turn on this palm swipe to capture. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.